Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is an Umai crate. These can be found at japancrate.com, and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah, let's crack this open and have a look inside. Alright, and here we are. And as you can see, this is the June 2019 Umai crate. First thing is you're going to see when you crack this sucker open is going to be a brochure. And in here, this has all the information you're going to need about everything that's inside. Next, they've been including recipe cards for a little while now, and here's this month's. Alright, so what I'll do now is I'll go through each thing that's in here, going from the order of where I find it, and give you information out of the brochure. First off, we have Crab Power Miso Soup. Enjoy traditional miso soup this summer with an added twist of yummy crab. It's the perfect item to add to any meal, or even as a quick lunch, as it can be made in just a few minutes. Next up, we've got some Chinese Miso Soba. Chinese Miso Soba from Japan. Bowl was made for miso lovers. Flavor with rich and aromatic miso and combined soba noodles, corn, and cabbage. Next up, we've got one from Itsuki, and they're just calling it Hakata Animal-Free Ramen, but I think this is basically just Hakata Tonkatsu. Hakata is an area in Japan famous for tonkatsu ramen. Hakata-style ramen has a rich white pork bone base and hard noodles. Make your own smooth and flavorful bowl of Hakata ramen. Next up, we've got this cold tea soba, and this is from Itsuki. Buckwheat and uji matcha are blended to make this smooth and flavorful soba noodle. These cold noodles come with 2 servings of a mellow umami dipping sauce that is a perfect meal for a hot summer day. This looks like one that might work for a mukbang. This is Sanayoshi Spicy Ramen. Can you handle these noodles? The ramen is as spicy as its red broth boasts. Shoyu and hot pepper soup base is paired with accents of green onions, leek, and chili peppers. Next up, we've got Suqian Tempura Soba. Okay, the brand is Itsuki, so I think it's just tempura soba. There's a saying in Japan that long noodles are good luck for a long life. These soba, buckwheat noodles, are extra long for that reason. They also come with tasty, crispy tempura balls, seaweed, and crunchy shrimp. And yet another Itsuki product. Here we have Wakame Sesame Udon. Kuruman, that guy right there, presents this Wakame Sesame Udon. These noodles are thick and raw, basically meaning they pack an extra fresh and authentic taste. Broth is a tasty umami flavor composed of 3 traditional Japanese ingredients: bonito, wakame, and sesame. What have we here? Oden Seasoning. Oden is a beloved comfort food in Japan. It's a warm soy sauce and dashi soup that cooks with a variety of ingredients. Choose your favorite add-ins and make your own special Oden. And hold on to your butts, children. It's the bonus item. This is Shiso Furikake. Brighten up your rice in flavor and color. This furikake is made from 100% Japanese red miso and packs refreshing herby taste. Sprinkle it on cold or warm rice for a tasty twist on your bento. Alright, so in this, the June 2019 Umai crate, you get Kumaman noodles, spicy Sanayoshi, cold tea soba, Hakata Tonkatsu, Oden Seasoning, Miso Ramen, Tempura Soba, Krabby Miso Soup, a resealable packet of furikake, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, cool. Well, thanks for watching. And you can get one of these over at japancrate.com and use the coupon code. Alright, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramenator, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.